Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy paste clip attributes and effects in DaVinci Resolve 19. So as you can see here guys, I'm in DaVinci Resolve 19, and currently on my timeline here I have two video clips. So I'm going to go about making some changes here to one of these clips and show you how we're going to copy those attributes and effects. So let's take the first video as an example. So as you can see, the video is on my timeline, and I'm going to simply go over to inspect on the upper right hand side here, and I'm going to make some changes. So let's say I'm going to make a zoom here onto the y-axis. I'm going to go ahead and change the position a bit here. I'm going to go down to the crop section here, and let's say I'm going to make the crop to the right side just about like that, and to the left side I'm going to go about and make it something like this, right? And I'm going to scroll down here, and let's say I want to put in the dynamic zoom as well. And yeah, let's go ahead and turn on, for example, ensure that we leave stabilization on, and we can choose the mode perspective to, let's say, put it to similarity. And yeah, let's leave it like that. So yeah, we make some changes guys, and let's play this so that you can see. In order to go ahead and copy this attribute to the next video clip here, as you can see, there's nothing added. It's very easy. So you want to go ahead and select the clip that you made the changes to, and on a Windows PC you want to go ahead and press on the Control plus C to make the copy, and on a Mac you want to press the Command C. So Mac you press Command C, Windows you press Control plus C. Now the next thing that you want to do guys is just head over to your second clip, or by clicking on the second clip, and you want to press Option plus V on a Mac. On the Windows you want to press the Alt V. So press the Alt V, and it's going to bring up the attributes where you can paste it. So now right here you can go ahead and you can just make a selection of a few of them by selecting the one that you want, right? So you can go ahead and you can choose whichever attribute you want to copy, right? But if you want to copy every single thing, you can just simply go ahead and just check this box where it says video attributes. You want to check this box, and it's going to copy everything. Now once you copy everything, if that's what you want, or you can select a few of them, and you can still do some unchecks if you so desire. By you can select all, and then you can uncheck the ones that you want. It's really up to you. Or you can just click in the video attributes and select everything. And once you're finished, just simply click and apply all, and you will see once you apply it that you head over to the next clip and it's there. So the attributes from my first clip here guys, as you can see, is copied to my second clip, as you can see there. And that's it guys. So if you're working in a DaVinci Resolve guys, attribute, and you create some really cool attributes and effects there, but don't want to go ahead and, let's say, do them all over again into a second clip, you can easily copy over your attributes following these steps. Very easy and very simple. Two commands. Just go ahead, select the first clip, press Control C on your keyboard on the Windows and Command C on the Mac, and you want to go over to the second one and press Option V on the Mac and Alt V on the Windows to copy them and select them, then apply. Very easy and very simple, right? If you find value here, give this video a like. I'd really appreciate it guys. Comment below, let me know if this video was helpful, and on top of that, if you're new to the channel, really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to become a part of this growing community. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.